This is going to blow your mind. Activated charcoal can detoxify your body, brighten your smile, and even help with snake bites. Let's dive in. Activated charcoal has been a hero for centuries. Ancient Egyptians used it to treat wounds, and now health enthusiasts swear by its versatility. Made by heating charcoal to super high temps, it becomes ultra porous, making it perfect for absorbing toxins. Got a tummy ache or gas? Activated charcoal can help. It binds to toxins in your gut, reducing bloating and discomfort. It's also a go-to for emergency poison treatment. Thinking about natural teeth whitening? Charcoal's got you covered, just don't overdo it or you might wear down your enamel. From skincare to eye infections, its antibacterial properties are a game changer. And let's not forget its role in water purification and even radiation cleanup. So next time you see that black powder, remember its ancient roots and modern magic. Activated charcoal truly is the ultimate multi-purpose remedy. Welcome back. Now that we know the amazing benefits of activated charcoal, let's dive into one of its most popular uses, teeth whitening. First, you'll need some activated charcoal powder. You can find it at health stores or online. Make sure it's food grade and safe for oral use. Next, wet your toothbrush and dip it into the charcoal powder. Gently brush your teeth in small circles for about 2 minutes. Be careful not to scrub too hard, as activated charcoal is abrasive and can wear down your enamel over time. After brushing, rinse your mouth thoroughly with water to remove all the charcoal residue. You might want to follow up with your regular toothpaste to ensure your mouth feels fresh and clean. Activated charcoal works by binding to surface stains on your teeth, helping to lift them away and reveal a brighter smile. But remember, moderation is key. Use it once or twice a week to avoid damaging your enamel. And there you have it, a natural, cost-effective way to brighten your smile. Stay tuned for more surprising uses of activated charcoal in our next chapter. Welcome back. Now that we've explored the teeth whitening benefits of activated charcoal, let's move on to another fantastic use: skincare. Activated charcoal is a powerful ingredient in face masks, known for its ability to detoxify the skin and reduce acne. To make your own activated charcoal face mask, you'll need activated charcoal powder, bentonite clay, water, and optionally, a few drops of your favorite essential oil for added benefits and fragrance. Start by mixing 1 teaspoon of activated charcoal powder with 1 teaspoon of bentonite clay in a bowl. Gradually add water until you achieve a smooth, paste-like consistency. If you choose to, add a few drops of essential oil to the mixture. Apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye and lip areas. Let it sit for about 10-15 minutes or until it starts to dry. As the mask dries, it works to draw out impurities and toxins from your skin, helping to clear out pores and reduce acne. Once the mask is dry, gently rinse it off with warm water and pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Using an activated charcoal face mask once a week can help maintain clear, glowing skin. It's a natural, effective way to detoxify and rejuvenate your complexion. Stay tuned for more surprising uses of activated charcoal in our next chapter. Welcome back. In this chapter, we're diving into another surprising benefit of activated charcoal: its role in digestive health. Activated charcoal can be a powerful ally in alleviating gas and bloating when taken as a supplement. Let's explore how it works and how you can incorporate it into your wellness routine. When ingested, activated charcoal binds to gas-causing byproducts in your digestive system, helping to reduce discomfort and bloating. This makes it a go-to remedy for many people dealing with digestive issues. To use activated charcoal for digestive health, you can find it in various forms such as capsules, tablets, or powder. It's important to follow the dosage instructions provided on the packaging or consult with a healthcare professional to ensure you're taking the right amount for your needs. It's recommended to take activated charcoal supplements with a full glass of water and to avoid consuming them within 2 hours of other medications or supplements, as it can interfere with their absorption. While activated charcoal is generally safe for most people, it's always best to check with your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Incorporating activated charcoal into your routine can help you manage occasional digestive discomfort, making it a natural and effective addition to your wellness toolkit. Stay tuned for more incredible uses of activated charcoal in our upcoming chapters. Welcome back. In this chapter, we're exploring another fantastic use of activated charcoal, water filtration. Did you know that activated charcoal is a key component in many water filters? It's true. Activated charcoal is highly effective at removing impurities and improving the taste of water. When water passes through a filter containing activated charcoal, the charcoal binds to and traps contaminants such as chlorine, volatile organic compounds, VOCs, and sediment. This process not only helps to purify the water, but also enhances its flavor, making it more enjoyable to drink. You can find activated charcoal in various types of water filtration systems, from portable water bottles with built-in filters to large-scale home filtration units. Incorporating these filters into your daily routine is a simple yet impactful way to ensure you're consuming cleaner, better-tasting water. It's important to regularly replace the activated charcoal filters as recommended by the manufacturer to maintain their effectiveness. By doing so, you can continue to enjoy the benefits of purified water for a healthier lifestyle. Stay tuned for more incredible uses of activated charcoal in our upcoming chapters. Welcome back. In this chapter, we're diving into a critical and potentially life-saving use of activated charcoal: emergency toxin removal. Activated charcoal can be used in emergency situations to treat poisonings and overdoses. When administered promptly, activated charcoal binds to toxins in the stomach and intestines, preventing them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. This can be a crucial intervention in cases of accidental poisoning or drug overdose. It's important to note that activated charcoal is most effective when used within an hour of ingestion of the toxin. However, it is not a substitute for professional medical care. If you suspect poisoning or overdose, always seek immediate medical attention and follow the guidance of healthcare professionals. Activated charcoal is available in various forms, including tablets, capsules, and powder, and it should only be used under the direction of a medical professional. Keep in mind that it is not effective for all types of toxins, such as alcohol, heavy metals, or certain corrosive substances. Being informed about the potential uses of activated charcoal in emergency situations can be valuable knowledge. It's a versatile substance that, when used correctly, can contribute to life-saving measures. Stay tuned for more incredible uses of activated charcoal in our upcoming chapters. Welcome back. In this chapter, we explore another incredible use of activated charcoal: air purification. Activated charcoal can be used in air purifiers to effectively remove odors and toxins from the air, creating a cleaner and healthier living environment. This remarkable substance works by trapping harmful particles and pollutants in its porous structure, ensuring that the air you breathe is free from contaminants. Whether it's in your home, office, or car, activated charcoal can help reduce allergens, mold spores, and even volatile organic compounds, VOCs. Many air purifiers on the market today incorporate activated charcoal filters due to their efficiency and natural purification properties. Additionally, activated charcoal bags are a convenient and eco-friendly option for smaller spaces like closets, refrigerators, and shoes, helping to keep them fresh and odor-free. By integrating activated charcoal into your air purification routine, you can enhance the quality of the air around you, promoting better health and well-being. Stay with us as we continue to uncover more surprising and beneficial uses of activated charcoal in our upcoming chapters. Welcome back. In this chapter, we explore an essential use of activated charcoal: mold cleaning. Mold can be a persistent and harmful problem in many households, affecting surfaces and even the health of those living there. Activated charcoal can be an effective solution to this issue. Thanks to its porous structure and natural absorption properties, activated charcoal can trap mold spores and toxins, helping to clean affected surfaces. By creating a paste with activated charcoal powder and water, you can apply it directly to moldy areas. Leave it for a few hours to allow the charcoal to absorb the mold and its spores, then scrub and rinse the area clean. But that's not all. Activated charcoal also helps prevent mold from returning. Placing activated charcoal bags in damp or humid areas reduces moisture, making it harder for mold to grow back. This simple yet powerful method can keep your home mold-free and healthier for everyone. By integrating activated charcoal into your cleaning routine, you can tackle mold issues effectively and naturally. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover more surprising and beneficial uses of activated charcoal in our upcoming chapters. Welcome back. In this chapter, we explore another fascinating use of activated charcoal: pet care. Just like humans, pets can benefit from the amazing properties of activated charcoal. One of its most critical uses is in treating pets for poisonings. If your pet accidentally ingests something toxic, activated charcoal can help by binding to the toxins and preventing them from being absorbed into the bloodstream. To administer activated charcoal to your pet, you can mix the powder with water to create a slurry, which can then be given orally. Always consult your veterinarian before administering activated charcoal to ensure the correct dosage and method for your specific pet. But that's not all. Activated charcoal can also improve your pet's overall health by aiding in digestion and reducing gas and bloating. Adding a small amount of activated charcoal to your pet's diet can help maintain a healthy digestive system and keep them feeling their best. By incorporating activated charcoal into your pet care routine, you can provide a natural and effective way to address common health issues and emergencies. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover more surprising and beneficial uses of activated charcoal in our upcoming chapters. Welcome back. In this chapter, we explore another fascinating use of activated charcoal: cooking. Activated charcoal can be used in the culinary world to add a unique flavor and color to dishes. It's not just a trendy ingredient, it's also known for its potential health benefits when consumed in moderation. From black ice cream to charcoal lattes, this ingredient has made its mark in gourmet kitchens and food enthusiast homes alike. When it comes to flavor, activated charcoal has a mild, earthy taste that can complement both sweet and savory dishes. It can be mixed into doughs, batters, and even beverages to create visually striking and delicious treats. Imagine serving a pitch-black burger bun or a strikingly dark lemonade at your next gathering. It's sure to be a conversation starter. But remember, while activated charcoal can add an exotic flair to your cooking, it's essential to use it sparingly. Overconsumption can interfere with nutrient absorption and medications. Always consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about incorporating activated charcoal into your diet. By experimenting with activated charcoal in your cooking, you can elevate your culinary creations and surprise your guests with something truly extraordinary. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover more surprising and beneficial uses of activated charcoal in our upcoming chapters.